welcome back to the Jules Drums YouTube channel. Today I'm going to break down the simple little 6-note fill that I played in the intro for you. If you click the link in the description of the video below, you can download a PDF also that accompanies this lesson to work from in your own time. Now, a lot of the time as drummers, we can get into the habit of always playing 4-note phrases, but it's really nice sometimes to mix it up a little bit. And today we're going to do just that with some groups of 6. So coming up on your screen now, you can see the sticking, which is just right, left, left, right, right, left. And if we repeat this 4 times, it fits beautifully into a bar of 4/4. It flows so nicely on the kit, this one, but I do recommend spending a little bit of time just familiarising yourself with it on the snare or practice pad just to get it sounding super smooth before we start mixing up around the drums. So let's have a look and see what that sounds like just on the snare drum. Nice and slow, nice and simple. Now, always start new stickings this way because what we don't want to do is rush ahead playing it super fast when we don't yet have full control over it. Otherwise, it can end up sounding a little bit untidy. Now, the magic in this little fill is, of course, in the accents. We don't want to be playing all the notes at the same volume. Firstly, this is pretty difficult to do, and it's certainly going to be hard to get any speed. It'll also make it sound really kind of one-dimensional, which we definitely don't want either. So we need to add some dynamics and a couple of well-placed accents. Accenting certain notes not only makes the fill more interesting, but also helps in achieving better speed and control. Just have a listen at how the dynamics and the accents really bring this fill to life. So I'm adding an accent to the first and last note of the roll. So that's the right and the left, as you can see in capitals there on the screen. Now, of course, you can try this out and place those accents wherever you want. But for me, these 2 accents kind of fall most naturally and without me having to think about it too much. So I'm taking that as a good sign. So let's take that fill onto the drums and see how we can apply it to make it a little bit more musical. I'm just going to move them around a little bit on the toms and the cymbals and see what comes out. So there we have it, endless creativity from just one simple 6-note pattern. How about that? Try that out for yourself, mix up the accents, mix up the placement, and see what you can come up with. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how you got on with this, and of course, download the lesson PDF on the link in the comments. And if you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe for more drumming tips. I will see you in the next